Hello everyone. Today we will be making a water filtration system by hand. So stay tuned to see where this leads to. 1. Cut the lower part of the bottle. 2. Position the bottle on a jar like shown in the picture. 3. Poke a hole in the small jar. 4. Cut a pipe into a shorter length. 5. Put the cut pipe into the hole in the jar. Make sure to apply hot glue so the water won't spill out. 6. It is important to add a piece of cloth on each layer so they won't get mixed easily. Now let's add the layers. Cotton, charcoal, sand, small rocks, sand again, big rocks. And now you have got your own water filtration system.
What does it matter?